Today's video from CountLab, we're taking a quick look at the end of day report on the CountLab 7S, 8S or 9S registers. In this video I'm using the model 9S, but the process is the same across the range. So you've had your day's trading and you're ready to cash up the till. First thing you need to do is press subtotal and then use the page down button to highlight line 5 Z reports. When that's highlighted, you press the cash total button. And then the first report at the top of the list, you've got Z report and then financial day report or financial report day. Press cash total, the report displays on the screen and you can arrow through, check the totals. And then when you're ready to print the report, you press cash. The report prints out. And then you press subtotal. It's crucial that you press subtotal because this confirms the report's run, so it's reset the data, and it also takes you back to the main Z report screen. Now what you'll notice on the first report that's printed out is there's no sales by department. You've just got financial information, so it's the period of sales, the gross, net, any refunds or cancels, and then your draw totals, so cash and credit card totals. So you see I've done some sales. That was the two sets of sales I've done. So I've done £70, £10 for each of the first departments, cashed it off, and then on the bottom half of that receipt I've got £70 for the remaining departments which I've paid for by credit card. I've also done a £10 refund, so that's how I've got the £60 cash total and the £70 card total. What you can also do is get a breakdown of your sales by department. To do this, you arrow down to department report day, and when that's highlighted, cash total again you can interrogate the data on the screen. It comes up with each department as you page down or page up through the report. To print, it's cash total. And then subtotal to get back to the main report screen, and then also that resets the data. What we can do here is just take a quick look at the department report that's printed out. Again, it's got the time period, and then just each sale or each department is broken down, so it's the department name, total amount of sales through that department, total number of sales, any refunds are recorded, and then the quantity as well. Okay, now one of the questions we get lost of, get asked quite a lot is about reports not adding up, and often on old-fashioned tills this was when the X report had been run by mistake instead of the Z report. So the difference between an X and a Z is that X reads the data, so it gives you all the information but it doesn't reset it. Z report resets the data. You can prove this to yourself by simply jumping back into the relevant report. So cash total, it says no record, so there's no information in there, so you know that's been reset. And then you can go to financial report day, and this will it'll show you the report, but it's all at 0. You can obviously also print that as well, just to prove to yourself that the till is at 0, so your sales are all ready to start again from scratch tomorrow. And then subtotal, and then when you're back on the main Z report screen, just like leaving any other mode, it's subtotal and then arrow up to registration if that's where you're heading back, and then the till's ready to start putting sales through again. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the 9S and other CountLab cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.